if you look at it, there's a dog there that lives there. Start barking, but look how cool it is. They're just everywhere. These cool houses, old brick, old house. I hope they don't see me videotaping. There'll be a dog, a garden, some tomatoes. You guys are probably getting, there it is, probably getting sick from this. It's on a dirt road. Cute house. There's another dog. Yep. There it goes. Whoa. Alright, I really can't. I'm not very good at riding a bike. Wow. It's breathtaking out here. It reminds me of upstate New York, but even better. It's Italy. It's Italy. These houses. Just gorgeous. Okay. I'll videotape in a little bit. I'm gonna ride my bike now. Can I turn the camera around? I guess like this. Ah! Whoa! Alright. See ya. Ciao. Ciao, Bellas. Oh, there's the guy working on the thing. So pretty. Alright, ciao.